In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Hubspot to Asana in just 5 minutes. Whether you're trying to streamline your workflow or enhance team collaboration, integrating these two powerful tools can be a game changer for your business. So let's get started and make sure this process is as smooth and efficient as possible. First, we'll need to navigate to the Hubspot website. Open a browser on your computer and head to Hubspot's homepage. This is where it all begins. Once you're there, look for the Login button, which is usually prominently displayed on the top right corner of the page. Click on it and enter your credentials to access your Hubspot account. It's important to ensure you're logged in so that you can seamlessly access the integrations we need. Now that you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Hubspot home screen. From here, our next step is to head to the Hubspot marketplace. You'll find this represented by a little shopping bag icon, often located in the main navigation bar on the left side of your screen. Click on this icon to enter the marketplace, which is where Hubspot houses all sorts of apps and integrations, including our target, Asana. Next, within the marketplace, go ahead and click on Apps. This section is a catalogue of various applications you can connect with Hubspot, designed to enhance and expand its functionality. Once you're there, the search begins. In the search bar, type in Asana. This will filter the results to show any available integrations related to Asana. Keep a close eye out for the right listing, in this case simply titled Asana. When you see it appear, click on it to explore the integration details. The next step is all about getting that integration up and running. Once you're on the Asana app page, you'll see an option to install the app. Go ahead and click it. This is what connects Hubspot to Asana, allowing the two to communicate and streamline your tasks and projects across platforms. Remember, integrating these tools can significantly enhance your workflow. HubSpot is great for managing your interactions and customer relationships, while Asana excels in task and project management. By linking them, you ensure that everyone on your team remains informed and in sync, which saves time and reduces the risk of miscommunication. And there you have it. In just a few simple steps, you can connect HubSpot to Asana in 5 minutes. I hope this guide helps you get the most out of both these platforms, driving productivity and efficiency for your team. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more how-to content. Thank you for watching and happy integrating.